Oh wow! There's a lot of rain and fog. This? I went to building September 22nd. But I'm doing another video for the rain and the fog. It is so worst outside. And it's almost nighttime. Oh, light screen. I'm waiting for my mom. Mom, do you want to go that way or that way? That way. We're walking during the Remembrance Day. I remember that we're walking on Remembrance Day. There's a dog barking. There's a dog barking. And there is Freshco right there. I did a Scene Plus there Wednesday. But I'm doing a video 4K, and it's gonna be 60. Let's cross. Let's cross. Ooh, a lot of puddles right there. This might be short than before. Is this still Scene Plus? Yes, there's still Scene Plus there. They didn't take it out yet. The Scene Plus is still there. It was there since November 3rd. Look at that. So worse than fog. So worse than fog. Reprice match. Yep. And yep. And I'm going to evening school. It is nightfall out here. Because it's almost winter and Christmas is coming. I'm gonna get a picture of the Scene Plus. Focus camera. Yep. Alright, let's go. I got a picture from the Scene Plus. Here we are. This video is a bit bright. My video is bright. Very bright. Very, very bright. What is that? What does it say right there? I want to show people that it's too bright to see. It's a bit bright to see because the video is 4K. Because my video is 4K. Let's cross. Sir, any cards? Stop holding me right now. Alright, so I'm going inside the building very soon. I'm gonna show I'm gonna end the clip. Oh my god. So as I get inside, I'm gonna end the clip.